Good morning. It is 10 a.m. Wednesday, November 16th, 2022, and we are at the HSC Foundation offices at PW 112 700 William Avenue, Winnipeg, Manitoba. We will be drawing the early bird winner in the 2022 HSC Millionaire program. The winner will have three prize choices: a 2023 Mini Cooper SE full electric vehicle at a $49,000 value, plus a 2022 Tesla Model X, a $147,000 value, or a 2023 Porsche Macan GTS, a $110,000 value, plus $54,000 in early bird gift card bundle, which includes gift cards for $20,000 Co-op Gas and Groceries for a year, $20,000 Dufresne Furniture and Appliances, $10,000 in CWT Harvey's travel gift vouchers, and $4,000 for a staycation at Inn at the Forks, also to be used at Riverstone Spa and Smith Restaurant, or the cash option of $150,000 tax-free. We will now select the winner of the early bird prize. And the winner is Kristen Asmundson of Winnipeg, Manitoba, ticket number 2010319. Congratulations, Kristen. We will now be drawing the 25 early bird winners of $500 in Co-op Gas and Groceries gift cards in the 2022 HSC Millionaire Lottery program. And the winners are Congratulations to these lovely 25 winners of the $500 in Co-op Gas and Groceries gift cards. Congratulations to all our winners. You will receive a letter in the mail with your check or your gift cards.